Greeting from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am Sugandhi, Department of Chemistry. I am going to explain the topic protective coating. After successful completion of the module, the student should be able to determine the corrosion rate to propose suitable protection method for environmental consideration. First one, that is paint. What is paint? Paint is the dispersion of one or more finely grounded solids, that is pigment and extender, in a medium or vehicle. What are the characteristics of good paint? It should spread easily on the surface. It should have high covering power. It should dry quickly. It should not crack on drying. The color of the paint should be stable. It should be washable. It should give a glossy film. Next one, that is the constituents of paint. What is pigment? Pigment is a solid and color producing substance in a paint. What are the function of pigments? It provides desired color. It gives strength to the film. It protects from UV light. Example, white lead, red lead and carbon black. Vehicle or drying oil. It is a film forming constituent in paint. It is non-volatile portion. What are the functions? It holds the pigment together. It forms a protective film. It imparts water repellency, toughness and durability. Example, linseed oil and castor oil. Thinner. It is a volatile substance in the paint. It evaporates when paint is applied on the surface. Function. It dilutes the paint. It increases the elasticity of the film. It helps in drying of paint by evaporating. Example, turpentine and spirit. Filler or extender. It is an inert material which improves the properties of paint. Functions. It reduces the cost. It helps to fill the voids. It prevents shrinkage and cracking. Example, tar, gypsum and chalk. Dryer. Dryer are oxygen carriers. Functions. It accelerates the drying process. It acts as a catalyst. Example, metallic soap, borates of lead and zinc. Plasticizer. Plasticizer are substance added to provide elasticity to the film. Functions. It prevents cracking to the film. It gives elasticity. Example, triphenyl phosphate, tricrysyl phosphate. Anti-skinning agent. Constituent. It prevents peeling. Their function, they are added by prevent the peeling of the paint. They also prevent gelling. Example, polyhydroxyphenol. Next one, metallic coating. The definition of metallic coating: coating a metal surface by a noble metal is called metallic coating. The article to be coated, base metal. The metal used for coating is called coating metal. Types of metallic coating: electroplating, electroless plating. Electroplating definition: the process by which coat metal is deposited over base metal by passing electric current. Example, electroplating of copper. It is a process of depositing a thin layer of copper on the surface of the article. Process: article to be coated is cleaned with dilute HCl. Pure copper is taken as anode. Article to be coated is taken as cathode. Copper sulfate solution is taken as electrolyte. The temperature is 40 to 45 degrees centigrade. Current density is 30 to 40 milliampere per centimeter square. This is the diagram of electroplating of copper. There is a reaction during electroplating. There is copper sulfate that is splitted into copper 2 plus SO4 2 minus ion. At cathode, copper 2 plus 2 electron minus, that is accept the electron to give copper. At anode, copper plus SO4 2 minus 2 gives copper sulfate plus 2 electron. There is anode, there is oxidation takes place. At cathode, reduction takes place. Application: used as undercoat for nickel chromium electrode deposit. Used protective coating for steel. Used in bottom of stainless steel cooking utensils. Then electroless plating. Definition of electroless plating: the process by which coat metal is deposited over base metal using a reducing agent without using electricity. There is a ingredients, electrolytic, there is electrolysis plating bath, source metal, there is a soluble salt, reducing agent, complexing agent to improve the quality, exaltant, that is used to increase the plating rate, stabilizer to prevent decomposition, buffer to maintain pH. There is example electrolysis plating, there is a nickel plating. First one is a pre-treatment. The surface to be coated is decreased by organic solvent or alkali followed by acid treatment. Step 2, there is a plating bath. Coating solution, that is a nickel plating. So coating solution nickel chloride. Reducing agent sodium hypophosphite. Complexing agent sodium succinate. Exaltant sodium succinate. Buffer solution sodium acetate. To maintain the pH, that is 4.5. There is a temperature we have to maintain 93 degrees centigrade. There is the equation process of plating. There is a pre-treated article is immersed in the plating bath for sufficient time. There is anode. H2PO2 minus plus H2O2 give H2PO3 plus 2H plus 2 electron minus. Cathode Na2 plus 2 electron minus 2 give Na. Then write as the overall reaction. Application used in electronic appliances, used in jewelry, used in tops of perfume bottles, used in aircraft. Thank you.